What's up, YouTube family? It's your boy King Abe. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys an easy forex scalping strategy that you guys can start using. It doesn't matter if you have a small account or even if you're a forex beginner. So if this is your first time on my channel, all I ask is that you like this video, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in on the charts and let's take a look. I'll see you guys inside. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So guys, before I get started with this strategy video today, so if you guys want access to my signals on Telegram, you guys can click the link down below in the description and you guys are going to get access. So you guys are going to see the free signals, VIP signals, and also we're currently having a $50 to $6,000 challenge in 30 days. So you guys can also join that Telegram group below. You guys can see the link down below in the description. So for this strategy, we're going to be looking at JPY, and I actually recommend that you guys use this strategy on the 15-minute time frame, simply because it works better on the 15-minute time frame. And another thing that I must also let you guys know is that now this strategy doesn't work 100% of the time, because to be honest with you guys, no strategy out there actually works 100% of the time. What we do is, we all, manage our risk whenever we trading. So, but one thing I'm going to definitely let you guys know is that this strategy absolutely has a very high win rate if you guys use it exactly how I'm about to explain it to you guys. So now, what I have right now on my chart is I have 3 moving averages, which is 3 EMA. So I have the 8 EMA, the 13 EMA, and also the 21 EMA. Now I'm going to be showing you guys 2 examples, which is a sell example, and I'm also going to be showing you guys a sell example. Now, looking at what happened right here, looking at this sell trade, and actually the market actually closed on a downtrend as well. So now looking at this pair JPY on the 15-minute time frame, so what we need to be looking out for, and what I want you guys to pay attention to when you're using this strategy, is that number 1, we need to make sure that we see that the 8, which is the black indicator right here, we need to make sure that you see the 8 crossing the 13 EMA and also the 21 EMA. Now, once we have that, now that confirms that now the market is in a downtrend. Now, what we now waiting for is that we need to make sure that we wait for a pullback, because once we see the cross, that doesn't mean we're going to get in the trade immediately. Now we need to see a pullback before we actually get into the trade. We need to see a pullback to the 8 EMA or the 13 EMA. Once we see that pullback, now I'm going to put this in replay mode, and you guys will actually see when you're going to get in the trade. Now I'm going to put this in replay mode, and you guys will see when you're going to get in for this trade, this sell trade right here. So I'm going to start from right here when we had the cross. So let's see when we got in the trade. Now we got the pullback. Now looking at this right now in replay mode, now we have the pullback right over here. This is our pullback right over here. Now what we need to do to get in is, now we will get in right over here, because we have a low right here. We'll get in once price is below the low right there. So now this will be your entry. This bearish candle right over here would have been your entry. Now, to set your take profit target, now using this strategy, I recommend that you guys target 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio for your take profit one. Now you can have multiple take profits if you want. So let's say for this strategy, for this sell trade, our first take profit is 20 pips, and we'll set our stop loss right here for 20 pips as well. So we have 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio right there. So now let's say we want to target 1-to-2. Now we have 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. Now once your first take profit hits, just move your stop loss to entry price just to break even, and I recommend taking at least 50% of your profits, so that way your trades will be secure. So now let's take a look and see if we got another take profit smash right there. We got another take profit smashed right there, and we have 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. So guys, this is how you use this strategy for a sell. Very simple. All you got to do is just wait for a pullback and wait for price to break below the previous low, and then you get in the trade. So now let me show you guys a buy example. So let's look for a buy example. Let's look for a buy example. Let's see. Okay. Let's look for a buy example. Okay. So now looking at this buy example right here, now what are we looking for? We need to make sure that the market is actually now trending on the 15-minute time frame. Now we need to make sure that the 8 actually cross the other two EMAs, which is the 13 and the 21 EMA. Now once we have that, we're just going to be patient and wait for our pullback. Once we have our pullback, now what do? Now we wait for price to break above the previous high, then we can get in the trade. Now our previous high for this buy trade is right over here. Now we got our previous high right over here. Now I'm gonna put this in replay mode, and you guys will see where your entry will be and where you can get in the trade. Put this in replay mode and let's see. So I'm going to start from right here, right before we had the pullback. Let's take a look. Got the pullback right there. Now, right here, this bullish candle, this is going to be your entry right over here. Now, to set your take profit, we can easily target 20 pips right here. We can easily target 20 pips. 20 pips. We have a stop loss. We need 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. For our take profit one, we have 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio right there. So now let's see how this trade played out. Then we got our take profit smash for 20 pips right there, 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Now, like I said earlier as well, you can have multiple take profits. Your second take profit, you can have 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. But as always move your stop loss to entry price and take partial profits, and I recommend at least 50%. So guys, if this is your first time on my channel, all I ask is that you like this video, find value in it, smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you guys don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.